This Week with Joy Stephanopoulos. How many times does a driver in the United States get pulled over for speeding?
And a cat playing with a baby. That's cute. We're going to talk about that also straight ahead.
Plus, if Florida is getting rain and New York is getting snow, what's the difference?
And our Powerhouse Roundtable has today's question. What do you think of our new President of the United States?
And a taxi driver in Los Angeles, California helps an elderly lady with her groceries. That's nice.
All that and much more on the way. Right now, it's time for This Week with Joy Stephanopoulos, beginning right now.
Welcome to This Week with George Stephanopoulos. I'm Tom, and this is my co-host, Ben. We're filling in for George Stephanopoulos. He's off today.
Let's get started with our headlines. So, the question is, how many people get pulled over in the United States for speeding?
It depends if the driver is drunk and a cop pulls them over. So Ben, do you think that if a driver is drunk and they're speeding on the roads in the United States, no matter where they live, can they still get pulled over by the cops?
Yes, Tom. If a cop pulls you over and you're drunk, you will spend the night in jail.
Let's hope that doesn't happen to us. So, our next subject is, how much does a 52-inch HD TV cost?
It depends on what store you're buying it from. Best Buy, or Walmart, or maybe Target, if you're lucky.
That's true, Ben, that's true. And I will agree with you on that one.
You make a fine, good news reporter, Tom.
Thank you very much, Ben. Let's move on with our next subject. If Florida gets rain down south, while New York gets snow up north, what's the difference?
It depends on where you live in the United States, Tom. Whether it's Texas, Arizona, Florida, New York, you still get the difference.
God forbid, I wish I was living in Texas right now.
Yeah, me too.
Here's our Powerhouse Roundtable question of the day. What do you think of our new President of the United States?
Well, let's see here. If President Trump thinks he's smart, he is smart.
Wait a minute. Did ABC News talk about this last week?
I wish we had the video clip, but it's against copyright grounds.
Yeah, let's deal without it for now. Finally today, on This Week with George Stephanopoulos, an elderly lady gets help with her groceries by a taxi driver in New York.
60-year-old Betty Smith, elderly, was having trouble with her groceries when the taxi driver helped her out.
Betty was also given a free, non-paid, no-payment taxi ride home.
That was very good. Thank you, taxi driver, for helping Betty.
We're now out of time. Thank you for watching This Week with George Stephanopoulos. I'm Tom, and this is my partner Ben. George Stephanopoulos will be back next week.
We had a great time here on the show. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you another time.
Be sure to follow This Week on abcnews.com for more stories about the program.
In the meantime, have a good week.